What's up guys, DUBB. Welcome to my channel. So you have a Toyota or a Lexus and hate changing oil because of these oil filter requiring the one of these tools to get them off. Let me see if I can try to help you to make your job slightly easier. So once you get this thing off of here, so what you want to do is maybe get something to clamp on here and tighten as hard as you can. Make it very hard to get it off. Now you can put this thing back into the car. You can put it back into the car. Use this wrench to tighten it. And don't over tighten it. So next time you want to change oil, you put this socket wrench in there and just loosen it up. And instead of this thing spinning out, this whole thing actually will loosen up, and you can go ahead and do your oil change. And only downside is you can have some oil leaking to the side, but it'll make your job a lot easier. And hope this is helpful, right? Because sometimes it's so tight that you try to get this thing off, like this one here. You can see all this marking. This is made of aluminum, and you can see all the marking here, like it's all beat up and everything. And every time you try to turn it, this thing want to slip out, making a lot harder to get this thing out, like this way here, right? Every time you turn it, it's real tight. This thing this cap wanna pop off, making it harder to remove this filter casing right here. Because sometimes you take it to the dealership or to some other places that do oil change, they tighten this thing so hard that you can't get it off. So tighten this part right here, make it real tight. Not in the car though, have it out and tighten real tight. Then install it back in there with a new O-ring and a new filter, and screw it back in there. And just hand tighten it, don't over tighten it. So the next time, all you do is release it, and you can have some oil coming out here, and you go and clean it up and install new filters in there, and you're done. I hope this video was helpful. All right, thanks, bye.